I love this morning's action in USA Rare Earth, USAR. I talked about this in a video last week. It came down over the last couple days, from the middle of last week through Friday on decreasing volume and hit its resistance. Um, and I really thought that we could see a significant bounce, and we're getting that today, up over 5.5% so far, and we're only an hour into trading or so this morning. So I really want to see this come back and retest this long-term resistance level that's sitting at $26. If we get an engulfing candle, which means off of today's close, which means basically a close of this candle anywhere over 24 on higher volume than Friday, and Friday was not great in terms of volume. Um, but if we get a higher close than 24, I think we'll be testing this $26 here real soon. And there's a lot to like about USA Rare Earth. It got a lot of play back in October when the US government invested in it, just like they did Intel, and check out what happened to Intel since then. You already know, I know, but still, it's worth saying. But this acquisition USA Rare Earth made last week is flying a little bit under the radar. Um, but it expands the breadth of their product suite to be the only large-scale producer of the four magnetic rare earths. But more importantly, I think guarantees their production, their full production is sold to the U.S. government for the next 15 years. And so, if I'm understanding that right, and I think I am, this has a lot of ways to go in terms of up, and I think should be very well could be testing its a new high within the second quarter, and that tapped out at 44. So essentially, I'm looking for this stock to double in the next 3 months.